Good afternoon to everyone. I am Dr. Johanan from Bhumasudha College of Arts and Science, Solanganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. I am very much happy to share my research entitled Evaluation of Anti-Aflatoxinosis, Potential to Skill Plants, Trigger Availabilities, and the Cytostoma Stigma for this wonderful conference of ACSTM 2021. First of all, I would like to thank the committee members of ACSTM and the Academy of Excellence in Bioscience for selecting and sponsoring me to participate and present my research to this conference. So now I move to my research journey. So aflatoxinosis is a poisoning that results from inhalation of aflatoxin. Aflatoxin is a well-known contaminant of foods, especially in the staple diets of many developing countries. This toxin is produced by Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus during the production, harvest, storage, and food processing. The fungi especially affect edible nuts, oil seeds, milk, spices, and cereals in subtropical and tropical regions throughout the world due to the inadequate storage condition. The toxins are particularly carcinogenic in humans, and eating contaminated food may result in liver cancer, amongst other diseases. Aflatoxin can also cause economic losses in livestock due to increase in disease susceptibility or decreases in productivity. Humans and the animals that consume aflatoxin contaminated feed eventually develop various health problems, including growth retardation, hematological disorders, hepato, nephro, geno, and immunotoxicity, and even death. Okay. The extensive studies have been conducted for avoid harmful effect caused by aflatoxin. Example, heating with pressure, chemicals and the microbes or products such as various lactobacillus species. Toxin binders such as clay, hydrated sodium, calcium, aluminum silicates. However, there may be a certain risk factors for their inclusions in diet before proper testing, since several absorbents have been shown to impair nutrient utilization and mineral absorption in animals. The increasing sensitivity of consumers to residual uh, pollution and the toxic effect of these products prompted researchers to find out alternatives. These last years, many studies were interested in natural scavengers for their capacity to reduce aflatoxin toxicity. In this regarding, the Triglaviabilis and the Sargassuma peristigma are the medicinal members of the Asclepiaceae family. Several studies have proven their therapeutic effects such as anti-tumor, anti-diabetic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic and antipyruvatic and anti-ulcer and anti-emetic effects. In view of all effects, the present study was conducted to investigate the effect of ethanol extract of Trigea valibilis stem and leaf and the Sargassuma peristigma stem and root on the damage caused by aflatoxin and to evaluate the most economically feasible concentration to minimize the aflatoxicosis disease. So coming to the methodology, the naturally grown plants of Trigea variabilis and the Stagirosma stigma were collected. The plant parts were air dried at room temperature and powdered. The powder samples were extracted by using Soxhlet apparatus at 47 degrees Celsius. Ethanol was used as a solvent. The production of aflatoxin was produced from Aspergillus flavus cultured through rice fermentation method. Here I am using the Sartwell method, Sartwell et al. 1986. Okay, 1966. The moldy rose was powdered and then the quantity of aflatoxin content was estimated by the modified Roman method. It is present in the Mary and Albert 2000. Okay. The moldy rice powder at 6 ppm concentration was mixed with the commercial feed ad libitum and fed to the rats for 3 weeks to induce carcinogenicity, followed by a progression period 3 weeks with the normal diet. The Silymarin 25 mg per kg body weight was used as a standard hepatoprotective drug for comparison. The initial LD50 studies carried out were used to determine the maximum dose, that is 75 mg per kg body weight, that did not produce any death in rat. So the 25 and 50 mg of body plant extract of Trevia valabilis and Sargostoma fristechma were suspended in physiological saline and administered orally. At the orally, okay. At the end of third week, the end of third week, the rats were sacrificed by cervical dislocation and collected blood for analyzing the following parameters. Okay, the hematology parameter, that is hemoglobin, total RBC, total WBC, PCV, clotting time, and ESR. The biochemical parameters such as serum alanine aminotransferase, aspartate aminotransferase, lactate dehydrogenase, glutathione S transferase, lipid substation, glutathione, superoxide dismutase, catalase. Okay. Next, coming to the results. Here, the aflatoxin treated animals produce significantly decreases amount of the following blood parameters, that is total HB, total RBC, and the PCV. It may be a mechanism, maybe due to inhibition of protein synthesis, total ion binding capacity, and the hemopathic cellular defects. It creates a significant increase of the following blood parameters, that is WBC, CT, and ESR. What's the big mechanism is maybe due to activation of the animal's immune system, Rolex formation of erythrocytes, and the destruction and the decrease in the level of platelet formation. Coming to the biochemical parameters in aflatoxin alone treated animals, the increased ALT, AST, LDH, GST, LPO, GSH, and KT was observed. The mechanism is maybe due to hepatocellular necrosis or increasing the permeability of cell membrane, inflammation or damage of to liver cells, the excessive formation of free radicals and activation of lipid peroxidation due to the aflatoxin intoxications. Okay, when we treated aflatoxin plus plant extracts treated animals produce the significant increase, okay, towards the respective normal value of total HB, total RBC, and PCV. So mechanism behind not associated with adverse hematological changes or anemia. Okay. Here, the significant decreases towards the respective normal value, WBC, CT, and the clotting time and the ESR was observed. The mechanism may be due to control of WBC production resulting from toxic reactions to substances, rises in blood viscosity, enhancing the level of platelet formation. Coming to the biochemical parameters, the level of biochemical parameters significantly decreased the serum levels of serum liver functions enzyme towards the respective normal value, that is ALT, AST, LDH, GST, LPO, GSH, and CAT. The mechanism may be due to stabilization of plasma membrane as well as repair of hepatic tissue damage caused by aflatoxin B1, the presence of constituents including flavonoids, tannin, cytokinins, and alkaloids. Okay, conclusion of my study. The result of this study indicated that the Regia volatilis and the Sargostoma fristechma have protective effect against liver injury induced by aflatoxin. thus proving the innocuous nature of test sample and free from hepatotoxicity. Therefore, these plant extracts appear to have potential as an accessible source of natural anti-aflatoxin and anti-aflatoxicogenic for food supplementation or pharmaceutical or agriculture field. Thank you.